Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the NRG file is complete and from a trusted source. A corrupted image will fail later. Next, install one tool, 7-zip to extract, WinCD emu to mount, or imgburn to convert. Choose based on whether you need files or a virtual disk. Once done, right-click the NRG. With 7-zip, select Open Archive. With WinCD emu, choose Mount, and with imgburn, pick Read Image to begin. This gets you into the image quickly and safely. You now perform the core action. If mounting, confirm the tool assigns a drive letter and opens Explorer automatically. Make sure the virtual drive is read-only unless you intend to burn. If extracting, choose a local folder and preserve directory structure so installers and auto-run files remain intact. If an app demands ISO, use imgburn or a converter. Select Convert and Output. ISO. Once done, test by browsing the mounted drive or opening extracted setup. You complete the task by running installers or accessing files from the mounted drive or extraction folder. Follow any on-screen prompts. If something fails, convert the NRG to ISO and mount the ISO instead. Many tools handle ISO more reliably. If problems persist, verify the NRG file integrity and try an alternative tool because compatibility differences cause most faults. One key tip: if an installer reports missing files, unmount, re-extract with a different app, and then retry immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.